Hello from Tokyo. So today I'm going to use silver and titanium white, and this is a customized gray, and another customized color here is pearl white with copper, and this also is customized. It's pearl white with Prussian blue and oxide black. So I am going to do a ring pour with these sort of muted colors, see how they turn out. Oh, I just remembered I do actually use regular copper as well. Yeah, here it is. So everything has been mixed with a medium of clear glue, PVA clear glue, water, and Floetrol. I'll put everything down in the description box. So here we go, layering the cup. Okay, it's time to pour. So I'm going to go for a ring pour, but also straight pour at the same time. As you can see, I'll do it from a distance and then come back down like that and carry on. Let's see how it goes. Talk to you in a bit. Here's where I realized that I should have layered it a little bit differently because most of that dark copper is going to fall off. There's something in the middle there I'm trying to grab out. So we will go and put some more black paint down to help with the flow of this tilting and see how it stretches out. In retrospect, I wish I had stopped here. Oh, doesn't that look a bit like the Scream from is it Edvard Munch or Munch? Monk, I think. Yeah, but anyway, I would have stopped here because I really like the light colors, the muted colors against the black, the matte black. And that's probably why I even painted the sides at the beginning, and I'd forgotten here, got carried away. If I'd stopped here, I would have had some of that darker copper as well. But you learn, don't you? And I'll keep that in mind for next time. So I'm giving it a bit of a torch here, but I noticed there's a blob on that right-hand corner, but I haven't spotted it just yet. Hope I spot it and take it out. So after torching to pop the air bubbles, I am tidying the sides up a little bit. And there, I've spotted whatever lump that was and taking it out. Good job. I tried to tilt off that mark that I left with the toothpick, but it's not happening, so never mind. Here is the finished wet version of the painting. So let's go in for a close-up. It's kind of looking like a shell to me now. It has a bit of an ethereal vibe to it too, perhaps because of the softness. The PVA glue that I use is clear and also quite thin in consistency, so I think that gives it this sort of look. And the Prussian blue is transparent, so that adds to it as well. Yeah, I'm liking all the lines and those white flecks. I don't know how I got those white flecks in there. The layering of the cup also has made a big difference. So here you are with the dried version. The gray has dried much lighter, which I like. And yeah, it's definitely like a oyster shell or something like that for me. I love the stripes. The white was a bit strong. I think I would layer it a little bit differently next time I do this sort of color scheme. And I do like the gray and the blue there together. They're sort of bubbly. Oh, yeah, I put my finger in the painting because I'm always so overeager to touch them. And please don't. Just leave it to dry for a few days. So just over here, I've done another painting with the leftover paints. So the same medium, same colors, and just with a palette knife. And you can tell how much darker the colors have dried. Really interesting. Same paints, different technique. So I hope you enjoyed the painting today, and thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!